Hey everyone, it's Chris at Artifact, and I want to briefly show you how to adjust the Y straps on our Artifact grill or woodworking apron. So we can start with the grill apron here. You've got this Y strap system, and then on the shoulder part you've got these donut hole buttons, and they just function like any other type of button where you slide them through the buttonhole and you can adjust that in one of these settings. So there's that. And then this center strap has a threaded screw holder like that, and all you need is just a slotted screwdriver, and carefully loosen. Be careful because the brass is a little bit of a softer metal and you don't want to chew that up, but you can completely take that off. And then you can take this and adjust it to a different setting. So we'll put that one back. And then this has a adjustable nylon waist belt, again with the donut hole button, so you can secure it. On the woodworking apron, similar system, but you have more of these adjustment screws. You've got two of them up on the shoulders. You've got one of them to adjust the length of the center piece down your back, and then you have another one for your waist belt. Same deal, just take a slotted screwdriver and you can unscrew that. What you may also consider doing is, I'll just take this one off real quick. When you get it adjusted to the position that you want it to be, you can take Loctite or thread through the medium strength and just put like a little drop in there, just enough so it'll seal up these threads so it won't work itself loose, and just as a little bit of extra insurance. And I'll put links to the Loctite products so you can see in the description below. So that's how to adjust these screws. Thank you for watching.